This video talks through the creation of an inventory valuation report. From the Cloud Reports homepage, navigate to the Day-to-Day Financial section. Click on Stock Value Report Detailed. Click Generate. This will produce a report showing current stock valuation. At the top of the report, it shows the stock value per supplier, with the stock value on hand and the percentage of your stock assigned to each supplier. Scroll down to view the stock value on an item-by-item basis. As with all the reports, the data can be moved around to get it into a format that suits specific requirements. As an example, the departments column can be dragged up to this header and then dropped. This shows the quantity of stock and value of stock on hand per department. This can be exported to Excel. A recommendation would be to repeat this regularly and save it. This enables viewing of historic stock value figures.